Hello everyone, welcome to Career Launcher, and in this session we are going to talk about grid-based question and what kind of questions we can get and we can expect in grid-based questions. And this is the first session on grid-based or metrics. So now let's start. So basically, what does it say? There are 9 boxes arranged in a 3 by 3 array as shown in the table 1 and 2. Okay, each box contains 3 sacks and each sack has certain number of coins between 1 to 9 coins inclusive. Okay, the average number of coins uh, per sack in the boxes are distinct integers. Okay, so basically there is going to be these many boxes and every box contains a different average line from 1 to 9. So it means one of the boxes the average is going to be 1, another box it is going to be 2, another box is going to be 3 up to 9. So I got 9 boxes and 9 values. So it means, what does it mean? I can directly say that every box is going to be assigned as a different value. So it means the average is 1. So if average is 1, then sum of all the coins in all 3 sets should be 3. It is also going to be 6. It is also going to be 9. So if average is 1, 2, 3, sum of all the coins in 3 sacks is going to be 3, 6, 9, 12 up to 27. Okay, and this is what that is given to us. Now the total number of coins in each row means in this row, in this row, and in this row is same. Okay, so basically what are the total number of coins I can get? That is going to be 3 plus 6 plus 9 up to 27. I'm going to take 3 common. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 9. So it comes out to be 3. And this summation is going to be n into n plus 1. That is going to be 10 divided by 2. So this is going to be 5 and it comes out to be 135. And because summation here is same, so I am going to get 45 coins in this row, 45 coins in this row, 45 coins in this row, and the same is true for column as well. It means 45 coins in this column, 45 coins in this column, 45 coins in this column, and this is what that is given to us. And this is talking about what? I don't know. Okay, so this is what I know, but I still don't know what these numbers mean, because till now there is no information that is given to us that what is 9, what is 6, what is 2, what is 8, what is 1 double star, what is 2 star, what is 0 star. So I have no information about it. Now let's see this. Okay, now table 1 gives information. So first of all I am going to talk about 45, 45 and 45, as well as I am going to talk about 45, 45, 45. Okay, and this is what I have figured out so far. Okay, table 1 gives information regarding the median number of coins in the 3 sacks. So I am going to have 1, 2, 3 sacks, and every sack is going to contain some coins, and here the median number is given. So if I am going to say the median number is 9, so if median number is 9, it means right hand side value is also going to be 9, because the largest possible number is going to be 9. And one number on the left hand side is going to be something, and what that number is going to be, I don't know. Okay. If this is 2, so it means middle number is 2. Now left hand side it can be either 2 or 1, and this side it can be 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. Same goes for 8, same goes for 6. But okay, so out of 9 only 4 medians are given, but I am not given any other possibility in remaining 3 values, in remaining 5 boxes. Okay. Now table 2, each box has number represents the number of sacks in that box having more than 5 coins. Okay, so if I am going to say 2, this is 1. So it means there is going to be one number that is greater than 5. So that one number is going to be 6, 7, 8, and 9. And remaining 2 numbers are going to be 5 or less than 5. It is more than 5, right? So these 2 numbers are going to be 5 or less than 5. Now if I'm going to talk about 2 star. So if I'm going to look at this, and the corresponding value is this. So 2 star means two numbers are greater than 5. So I already got 9, 9. It means I can say third number is going to be 5 or less than 5. Okay. Followed by a star. Okay. A star. Now, what does the meaning of the star? Okay. This the exactly one among the following condition. Okay. So one star means there are three conditions. Out of those three conditions, only one condition is being followed. It means we are going to have one star. If there are two stars, it means there are going to be either two or more than two conditions are followed. Okay. Now, two star does not mean exactly two conditions. Two star means it can be either two or three conditions are being met. Okay. Fine. Now I need to fill everything out. Okay. So, uh, and let me figure this out. Okay. Now, one of the condition is minimum number is 1. Okay. So, minimum number is 1. Now, second one is median number is 1. So, when I say median number is 1, smallest number also becomes 1. So, this is my first condition. This is my second condition. So, if second condition is true, then first condition has to be true. Now, third condition is largest value is 9. Okay. Largest value is 9. And then I can't conclude anything. Okay. So, out of the three, one condition, two condition, or three conditions are being followed. And let me check. Okay. Now, I know the average is 1. So, average is 1. It means all three numbers should be 1, 1, 1. It means how many numbers are going to be less than 5? Three numbers. How many conditions are true? Two conditions. So, I am, sorry. So, 0 numbers are greater than 5. And I got two conditions right. So, I am going to get this 0, 2 star. Now, which has 0, 2 star? That is only this. So, I am going to get 1, 1, and 1. That is the only possible arrangement I can think of. Okay. Another, there is going to have a box that is going to have 999 because average is 9. So here all three numbers are going to be greater than 5 and there is only one condition true, that is largest number is 9. So I am going to get 3 star. Okay. 3 star am I getting somewhere? 3 star. But here median number is 8, so can't be true. 3 star. So the only possibility is 999. Okay. So what I am getting so far? I am going to get this is what? This is 27 plus 3, 30. So summation here should be what? Summation here should be 15. Okay. Now summation should be 15. One number is 6. So remaining sum is going to be what? Remaining sum is going to be 9. Okay. So remaining sum is going to be 9. And I know two numbers are greater than 5. This number is greater than 5. So this number is also going to be greater than 5. Now, how can I make it? I can make it as 6, 3. I can make it as 7, 2. I can make it as 8, 1. But what it is going to be, I don't know. Okay. Okay. Now, what are the other conditions? And let me check the questions. Now, what is the total number of coins in all the boxes in third row? So third row, what is the total sum? That is going to be 45. That we already know. So I already got one answer. How many boxes have at least one set containing 9 coins? That I need to figure out. For how many boxes the average and the median is same? Okay. For how many sets? How many sets contain exactly one coin? Okay. And how many boxes do all three sets contain different number of coins? So actually, I need to figure everything out, and I will be getting everything out. Okay. Okay. Now, so basically, sum is 15, and two numbers are going to be greater than this. So I can get it is as 6, 3, and something else. Okay. Okay. And I am just going to look at here only one number, and one number is greater than. So I am going to say, what is the average here? That is 1. What is the average here? That is 9. So what are the averages I am looking for? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So average 1 is gone, that is here. Average 9 is gone, that is here. And total sum is going to be 45. So this sum is going to be what? 15. So average 5 is gone. Okay. Now here average is 5. Sum is 15. Okay. And here average should be somewhere around 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now I got 9 plus 9, 18. Okay. 9 plus 9, 18. And I need a number that gives me an integral average. So 18. So I would say A plus 18 divided by 3, it should be integer. And the third number I'm talking about, it should be smaller or equal than 5. So from here, I can directly say A should be a multiple of 3 and it should be smaller than 5. So this number is definitely going to be 3. So this is what we are getting, and my average comes out to be 7 over here. Okay. So 7 is also gone. Okay. Now I got 7. Now what is the other possibility? So my summation is 21. My summation is what? 15. So 36. Here sum should be 9 and average should be 3. This is what we have. Sum should be 9 and average should be 3. So, okay. And one number is greater than 5 and sum should be 9. And there are two conditions that are true. Okay. If there are two conditions that are true, then what I can do? Okay. So if there are two conditions that are being true, and I need, if I give, and my summation is 9. So if one number is 9, is it possible? So if one number is 9, remaining number should be 0, 0, not possible. And two conditions are true. So 1 and these two numbers should be 1, 1. So this number should be 7 and average comes out to be what? 3. Okay. Now here, one condition is true. If I put 9 over here, 9 plus 6, 15, this number will be 0. So third condition cannot be true here. And second condition is definitely not true because median number is 6. So only possible condition is the smallest number should be 1. So 1 plus 6, 7. So this number should be 8. Okay. So I am done with the average of 3, 7. Now I need to place averages of 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay. So 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now this is one number greater than 5 and two conditions are true and median number is 2. So it means the smallest number should be 1, largest number should be 9. So that first and third condition are true. Okay. And sum comes out to be 12. So average comes out to be 4. Okay. And here average should be what? Average should be your 3, 4, 9 plus 12, 21. 24. So average should be 8. Okay. Average should be 8. 3 means all three numbers are greater than 7, greater than 5. And 1 star means one condition needs to hold true. So largest number is 9. This is 7. This is also we got. Okay. Now 3 numbers. 2 numbers are greater than 5 and there are 2 stars. So 2 conditions are true. So it means the smallest number should be 1, largest number should be 9. And this is the average is going to be what? This is going to be 24 plus 3, 27. So this sum should be 18 and average should be 6. So summation is 18. So I am going to get 1, 9 and this is 8. Okay. So this comes out to be this. Okay. And here the only possible arrangement, there is one condition that is true and no number is greater than 5. So it means the smallest number should be 1, median can't be 1 because if median is 1, directly you are going to get 2 stars. Okay. And 1, average should be 2. So 1, 2, and 3. Sum comes out to be 6. So everything is sorted now. So this is the arrangement that we are supposed to get and we are getting this thing. Sum comes out to be 3, 7, 15, 7 to 9, 15, 5, 9 plus 1 plus 5, 15. Okay. So everything is done. Now let's look at the questions. How many boxes have at least one sack containing 9 coins? Okay. So I got this 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Uh, so I am going to get 5. 5 boxes that have at least one 9 sack. At least one sack with 9 coins. Okay. For how many boxes the average and median is same? Okay. So I have already written down the averages and median. This is 1, this is 3, this is 9, this is 7, this is 6, this is 5, this is 9, this is 9. So this satisfies 2, 2. This also satisfies 2, 4, 8, 8 also satisfies. This, no. This, yes. So I am going to get 4 boxes where mean is equal to median. Now the next one, how many sets contains exactly one coin? So I just need to find out how many times I have written 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3, 9. So answer comes out to be 9. Now what is the next question? In how many boxes do all 3 sets contain different number of coins? In how many boxes do all 3 sets? Okay, so I'm looking for boxes where everything is distinct. 117, no. 399, no. 168, yes. 129, yes. 123, yes. I got 3 so far. This is fourth one. This is fifth one. So total number of boxes that have different value in each sex is 5. So answer of this is going to be 5. This is 45. This is 5. This is 4. This is 9. And this is 5. So we got all the answers right, and this is how this should be approached. The trickiest part, or I would say most difficult part in this, is you need to figure out, uh, you need to continuously look at the stars, look at the conditions, and look at the number of coins that are greater than 5. You have to be keep on looking at in every box, then only you can get it. I would say it is tricky as well as a little lengthier set as compared to the other ones. Okay, now test series is live for MBA, and this has been the closest to the actual exam. We also have Open CDC on August 8th. So if you have not registered for Open CDC, I would say it is a high time to go and register for your Open CAT. Okay, now let's get back to this set. You are given a n by n square matrix to be filled with numericals so that no adjacent cell have same number. Okay, two cells are called adjacent if they touch each other horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. So in a cell, one of the four corners have three cells adjacent to it. Okay, and horizontally, vertically, okay, diagonally as well. Okay, and which is not corner has 5 adjacent to it. Okay, fine, fair point. So basically what it is saying, let me draw and understand. So it is saying I am just going to draw a 3 by 3, let's say 4 by 3. So this cell contains this is adjacent. This one contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 adjacent to it. And that's what it is saying. And there is, it is saying no adjacent cells have same number. Okay. Okay. Now the first question. I need to fill a 3 by 3 matrix, and I am looking for minimum possible numbers. Okay. So let me draw a 3 by 3 matrix. So I am going to start with corner. This is 1. This number should be different, so 2. This number should be different, so 3. This number should be different, so 4. Okay. Now it says that the number that I'm putting next should be different. Okay. It does not mean that this number and this number should be different. Okay. So 2 adjacent to 2, I cannot place 2, but I can still place 1. Adjacent to 3, I cannot place 3, so I can still place 4. Okay. If you are confused, let me write. No two adjacent cells have the same number. Same number. So basically, if I am placing 1 over here in the next cell, so let me explain it a bit again. So if I am drawing here, if I am placing 1 here, I cannot place 1 here, I cannot place 1 here, I cannot place 1 here. So if I am placing 1 here, I can place 2 here, I can place 3 here, I can place 4 here. That works. So numbers adjacent to 1 are all different. Okay. Now if this is 2, next number cannot be 2, but it can be 1. Next number cannot be 3, but it can be 4. So the number on the left and right can be same, but the same number in two adjacent cells cannot be same. Okay. Now 4, I am getting 1. Then I have 2, I am putting 2. I have 1 over here, I am putting 1. So in any two adjacent cells, you can't see the same number. Still then the numbers here can be same, but in two adjacent, if I'm going to look at these two adjacent cells, do I have the same number? No. If I look at these two adjacent cells, do I have the same number? No. If I look at these two adjacent cells, do I have the same number? No. So basically in two adjacent cells, I have different numbers. So what is the minimum number of numbers that are required are 4. Now the question is saying minimum number of different numericals needed to fill a 5 by 5. So I would say my answer will not change whether you are going to go by 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 or 5 by 5. My answer is always going to be 4 only. And why I am telling you this? Because I am just going to keep on reciprocating the same thing again and again. And I am going to get the answer. And why I am saying I am going to reciprocate, I am going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to put 1 and 4 over here. Then I'm going to put 2 and 3 over here. Then I'm going to put 1 and 4 over here. No two adjacent cells have same number. Again, the top line I'm just going to copy 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Just above line I'm going to copy 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Then just above line I'm going to copy 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Everything is different, yes. In any two adjacent cells, I can't see the same number. If I am going to pick up any 4 by 4 cell, any 2 by 2 cell, I am going to see the numbers there are different. Pick any 2 by 2 cell. Okay. Now, the third one, suppose you are allowed to make one mistake, and if that pair of adjacent cells have the same numericals, what is the minimum number of different numericals are required? Okay, I am allowed to make one mistake. So instead of 1, I will place 2. So that is one mistake. Still then, how many numbers do I am going to need? That is going to be 4 numbers, not less than 4. So I can directly say my answer of this question is going to be 4. Now the next one. Suppose that each cell in the adjacent to particular cell have different numericals. What is the minimum number of different numericals are required? Okay. Now the question has changed. And what it is talking about, it is talking about the exactly same thing that you were thinking before. Now every number is adjacent is different. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Now adjacent to 2, I have 1. So I cannot place 1 over here. I cannot place 1 over here. So I need to place 5. Then I need to place 6. Different numbers. Now adjacent to 4, I got 1. I cannot place 1 over here. It should be a different number. So I would place 7, 8, and 9. Now can I reciprocate? Yes. 1, 4, 7, 2, 3, 8. Now 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 3. Now every number adjacent to any number is distinct. Adjacent to 1, if you look at the numbers, they are distinct. Adjacent to 3, if you are going to look at the numbers, they are distinct. Adjacent to 4, you are going to look at the numbers, they are distinct. So what is a maximum possible number? What is the minimum possible number that I'm going to name? That is going to be 9. And I like this set a lot because the first 3 questions have the same answer. And if you understand properly, then you are going to realize that question number 1, 2, and 3 are exactly same. They are not different. And question number 4, you just need to work a little and you are still going to get the answer. So I would say this is a 4, 5, 6 minute set, not more than that. So 4, 4, 4, and 9. And with this, let's conclude today's session. Thank you.